What's going on, guys? So obviously you can tell that I'm making some weird concoctions here with the finger ribs. I made some with Takis as a seasoning and a Louisiana hot sauce on top. And then also the other one is the Texas rubs. So I'm gonna see how it comes out. Hopefully it's good, but I'm gonna take you on this little journey. So let's season these bad boys up. Finger ribs. They look pretty good. I gotta show you this. So the one I'm gonna show you first is the Takis, and it's all right. It looks a little bit weird, but the end flavor is all that matters. And the one right below it is gonna be the one with the TXQ rubs. So let me show you. All right, so check out the Takis ribs, and then down here below, one with the TXQ rub. Look at them bones. These are the ribs, 956, and they're juicy. Let's taste it. Ooh. I'm excited because I never cook this stuff. I never cook smoked ribs, and man. You're gonna love this. All right. Now the reason everybody's here for the Takis beef short ribs. The Takis Finger Ribs. These are juicy as too. Damn, all right. Here we go. They're not as good as the other ribs, but they're pretty damn soft. They're really, look at that. Man. That's some good eating. Alright guys, subscribe to my channel because I'm going to be cooking up some weird stuff. Big shout out to my boy Big Hobbs. He was kind of guiding me through everything today, so good stuff, man.